And I was like, okay, I do see what there is to see. This girl just gives me so much edge. Like, yes. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you see, we have the entire Going Out collection. I got these girls from Target. I did pick them all out in person. And let's go ahead and start with Sasha. So something that I noticed today was this tiny detail that says Sasha, aka Bunny Boo. And then we have the holographic Going Out font, which is super cute. I like this clear box. Like, this is how they should have did it for Kylie. Like, if you wanted to give us a super clear box, this is the way to go. Lovely artwork, looking oh so fabulous. The outfit in this artwork is sickening. So we have the matching font from up top, spelling her name out. And a little quote says, if you got it, flaunt it. And then we have a couple more quotes, passion for fashion. But you already knew that. On the back, we have a similar font. I mean, I guess the font is the font the same? I don't know. Similar font, different. Yeah, it is different. So a similar font. I wish somehow it could have been holographic. I love this artwork on her box. Down here, we have the same font from up top, spelling her name out, and Bratz logo. Passion for fashion, but you already knew that. Again, these unfortunately do not come with posters, but that is okay for the price point. I feel like $19.99. I'm not mad at it, but I do love posters, so I would have loved a poster. Honestly, a double-sided poster, one with this, Sasha. I need this background on a poster. And then the other side, I love when they do photo shoots of the real dolls, like the princess one, Midnight Dance, Sweet Dreams. Like, I love when they use the actual dolls. So I would like to see that in the future. We're going to be starting with Sasha. So I do have a confession, you guys. I already opened Sasha. Now, the reason why I'm not opening this one is because something about this is just literally so freaking perfect. Like, I like her screening here. It gives like maybe prototype or just really well placed. Her hair is perfect. I have her in back to school Yasmin's fit with a mix of one of the first Beachline collections that they did. Get into Miss Mama's hair. So I have already washed her hair. I did not boil wash it because I did want to keep and maintain as many curls as possible. So I did a little bit of shampoo just to take out the slight hair gel that's there. It wasn't a lot, but 2 hair pieces up front were definitely gelled down like at the top. So just kind of washed some of the gel out and then did a leave-in conditioner. I made sure to rinse it all out, and here is the final result. Super, super bouncy. I like it. I feel like this is a good amount of hair that they used as well. And this hairstyle is very versatile. This mug that she has is so baby doll. Like, oh, she looks so good. So I do want another to get maybe like a different lip color. So I saw someone compare GCDS Sasha's screening to this new Going Out Sasha. And I was like, okay, I do see what there is to see. Like, there is a little something to see, and I'm not mad at it. Now, don't hate on GCDS Sasha, because I do love her. I love her blush. I love her highlight. Like, she looks good. The eyes are given a little Wild Wild West, if you know what I mean, or a little Welcome to Fabulous. A little bit in the eyes, but still a beautiful doll. I love the hair. I love the beautiful gowns, you know what I'm saying? So, anywho, so here I have B Bratz. Now, the B Bratz Sasha was not really titled any girl's name, but the artwork was Sasha, and the doll is giving like Sasha. So this Sasha goes so well with this outfit. Not to say that the original one doesn't, but I feel like I want to see the original one in something way softer of an outfit. And this girl just gives me so much edge. Like, oh, yes. And just imagine seeing her in this box, like, even with her blue eyes and light lip. Oh, so getting into her bag is super cute. I am unfamiliar with the brand that this is kind of like an imitation of. I have no idea. I know that they have lately been going with like extreme high-end fashion brand, so I don't see why this wouldn't be something along the lines of. Her cute shades, I love how thick they are. They're giving a little bit of Bratz boys accessory, which I love when you can mix and match the girls and the boys' accessories. So this is her with her glasses on. Sickening. I love it on the hair though. I really enjoy seeing this Sasha screening. So the jacket is one of my favorite pieces, yo. So much color. Strutted Bratz. Even the back says Bratz. Strutted, like what? I need this jacket in real life. And then this side. Her top is spaghetti strap top. Cheetah print, you know, something I would see Chloe in. And her shorts have a little fabric at the bottom just to give it that extra feminine flair. It's like a high-waist denim short. Because her body is so warm, I feel like it'll go great with Girls Night Out Sasha Repro if you wanted to rebody her with articulation. And Pretty and Punk Sasha as well has kind of like a warmer body. And last but not least, her shoes. Honey, get into the boots. This ain't Texas. Ain't no hold 'em, honey. I live. They remind me literally of the Hayden Williams sketches, and I think there was a prototype made of some boots. Like, if that wasn't the inspiration, I really don't know what is. I will say, I have seen some people say her feet look extremely big with this shoe design, and I mean, I have to agree, the feet do look extremely big. But, I mean, that does give a little bit of the original Bratz flair, in my opinion. Now, the only problem I really have with it is if her feet are going to be abnormally big in this line, I literally need all the girls' feet to be abnormally big in this line as well. And I feel like everybody's foot is tailored to size, and she's the only one with these big, big boots. So that's the only problem I have with it. Other than that, I mean, this doll is literally a 10 out of 10. Like, I highly recommend this doll. That is all I have for you guys today. Next time, we are going to open Yasmin, Chloe, or Jade. You let me know in the comments who you want to see next. Like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.